Hello friends, today we are going to unbox Realme 13 Pro 5G phone. We have just ordered this phone from Flipkart. You can see the branding over here, then the model 13 Pro, and as it is 5G phone powered with AI. So from this side there is branding of the phone. From this side nothing is there. From this side again branding of the phone is there. On this side the importer and the details of the phone are there. Then from this, on this side, few specifications are mentioned along with the sticker, IMEI and all these things. So in the specifications we can see that this phone comes with Sony Lit 600 iOS camera, which works superbly in the low light situation or conditions. It captures very good images with the latest Sony Lit 600 iOS. Along with this Sony Lit 600 iOS camera, the processor of this phone is Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 5G chipset, which is very good for the gaming and good performance. It is widely used in higher end smartphones to do the gaming and multitasking. Along with the Snapdragon good processor, this phone comes with 120 Hz curved vision display. That is very good feature of this phone. And as we know, all the phones comes with a very huge battery backup. This phone is having 5200 mAh battery, which is quite fair. We cannot say that it's a huge battery, or you cannot also say that's very battery power is not good. It's quite fair. And the 45 watt fast charging supports this phone. So these are the specifications which are written on the box. So friends, we are going to now unbox this phone. What is in there, what is there in the box, and how the phone works, we will see. So let's unbox the phone. So we have already opened the box. So this box is there, and in this box we can see a mobile cover is there, and it is in the black I think black color. The SIM ejector tool is there. This is nothing but, I think, phone's cover, and the information brochure is there. This phone cover is there, safety cover, you can say. Not good, but not so bad. It's fair one. And we can see the phone. So these are the things that was in the box. So this is the phone, you can see. So for a while we will keep aside the phone. What is inside the box we will see. This is the 45 watt super fast charging charger adapter is there, and this is USB to type C charging cable. So these are the things which are in the box. So friends, all these things were in the box. So we have seen this box, we will keep aside. This is the charger, this is cable, this is the cover of the mobile phone cover. So this is the mobile. We can see the physical features of this phone. On the right side you can find the volume rocker, then the power button, then on the upper side you have a speaker, and on the rear side, on the downside, you can see the charging C-type slot along with SIM tray or SIM slot. So on the right side there is nothing, left side there is nothing, and on the rear side you can see the phone is powered up with the 4 different cameras having Sony Litia 600 what is that name, OIS camera. So we will see that how it works, and you can also see that this phone is having curved display. It's very beautiful one. So we will switch it on and see that how it works. So the logo of Realme is there, and as we know this phone is powered with Android. So it takes a very little time to boot. So Realme UI, that is the software which is in this phone. So it is starting. Hello. So now the phone got started with its UI, user interface. So this is the user interface. You can see how the touch is crispy one and how it's fast one. So you can see the specification of this phone. Realme UI, official version of Realme UI is 5.0. Device name Realme 13 Pro 5G, storage 26 GB. As we know, this phone comes with the storage capacity of 512 GB ROM and 12 GB RAM, which is very good capacity phone. So Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 mobile platform, model name is RMX 3990, screen size is written, the battery capacity is also written, then the camera front 32 MP, rear 50 MP plus 80 MP plus 2 MP. So 3 camera specification is also given in this phone. So along with all these specifications, we have completed the unboxing of this phone. We will post the review after 1 month or 2 months use, so users will decide whether to buy or not to buy this phone. And the price of this phone is around 24,000. So those who need the phone having good memory or good capacity memory, so they, and camera also, the good camera, because it comes with the Sony 600 lit camera, so one can prefer and one can go for this phone. One can buy from Flipkart. There are so many offers along with credit and debit cards and bank offers, so one can buy it. So thank you.